Imagine waking up one ordinary morning with only $50 in your bank account. Bills are piling up. Rent is due. Your phone buzzes with another payment reminder. That was the reality for a 25-year-old named Alex. Alex wasn't a genius. He wasn't a programmer. He didn't have a business degree or thousands of followers online. But he had one advantage. He decided to learn how to use AI. Within 1 year, his life looked completely different. Today, let's follow Alex and his team journey and discover the top 10 AI side hustles in 2026 that are helping ordinary people earn extra income. Number 10. AI content writing. Alex's first step was simple. He used AI to help write blog posts, product descriptions, newsletters, and website content for small businesses. Instead of spending hours writing every sentence, AI generated a first draft in minutes. Alex edited it, improved it, and delivered polished work to clients. Soon, one client became 5. The lesson? AI doesn't replace good writers, it helps them work faster. Number 9. AI thumbnail design. Alex noticed something surprising. Every YouTuber needed eye-catching thumbnails. Using AI image generators and simple editing tools, he created colorful, high-click designs without being a professional designer. Each thumbnail took less than 30 minutes. His first client paid $20. Months later, some clients were paying hundreds of dollars for complete thumbnail packages. Number 8. AI video editing businesses wanted short videos for social media every single day. Instead of editing manually, Alex used AI-powered editing tools that automatically removed silences, added subtitles, selected highlights, and generated transitions. What once took 6 hours now took less than 1. Time became his biggest advantage. Number 7. AI Voiceover Services. Not everyone likes recording their own voice. Alex discovered AI voice technology. He helped businesses, YouTubers, audiobook creators, and educators create professional voiceovers in multiple languages. He wasn't selling his voice. He was selling convenience. Number 6. AI Social Media Manager. Small businesses struggled to stay active online. Alex offered a monthly package. AI generated captions, suggested hashtags, planned posting schedules, and even created images. The business owners saved time. Alex earned recurring monthly income. Instead of finding new clients every week, he kept the same clients for months. Number 5. AI presentation designer. Companies constantly needed presentations, sales pitches, investor decks, school projects, training materials. Using AI, Alex transformed plain text into beautiful presentations with professional layouts, charts, and visuals. Clients cared about one thing: results, not how long it took. Number 4. AI digital products. One day, Alex realized something important. Instead of selling his time, he could sell products. He created budgeting templates, planners, financial trackers, business checklists, and printable guides with AI assistance. After uploading them to online marketplaces, people could buy them day and night, even while Alex slept. Number 3. AI YouTube automation. Alex always wanted a YouTube channel, but he was afraid of showing his face. Then he discovered AI. AI helped research topics, write scripts, generate images, create voiceovers, edit videos, design thumbnails. Suddenly, running a faceless YouTube channel became possible. One successful video could continue earning views and revenue for years. Number 2. AI chatbot creation. Businesses receive the same customer questions every day. What are your business hours? Where's my order? How can I book an appointment? Alex built AI chatbots that answered these questions automatically. The businesses saved countless hours. Customers got instant responses. Everyone benefited. Number 1. AI consulting. After learning all these skills, something unexpected happened. People started asking Alex for advice. Can you help us use AI in our company? What tools should we use? How do we automate our workflow? Alex wasn't selling software. He was selling knowledge. Businesses were willing to pay for someone who could save them time, reduce costs, and increase productivity. That became his highest-paying side hustle. 1 year earlier, Alex had almost nothing. No expensive equipment, no huge audience, no special degree. What changed wasn't his luck. It was his willingness to learn and adapt. AI isn't a magic button that guarantees success. But for people who combine AI with creativity, consistency, and real value, it can become one of the most powerful tools of this decade. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. So here's a question for you. Which AI side hustle would you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to earn more in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.